On the box, all you're gonna get is the actual piece. Very nice box. Look how beautiful that thing looks. Got the nice Vespa logo in there. CNC machine made. We're gonna proceed and install that in our side stand. As you can see, we got nothing in here. So you wanna unbolt the 3 fasteners right here. Once you have removed the 3 fasteners, you can remove this plate from it, and then you got these 2, which are a smaller one, Allen key. You want to proceed and unbolt this just slightly, not all the way. You just want to make them loose like that, see? So once you make those loose, you're pretty much ready to swap your side stand in. So make sure you grab this piece. You want to have these both pieces in hand. Bring your side stand down, and you see this little bar that goes like that. So you want to grab this piece first, and you want to slide it in the inside, and you want to hold it with your finger like that. And then you want to grab this piece, and you want to actually, help you lift it like that. And you want to go on top of this part right here, slide it in there. Try to find the shape of it that is engaged like that. And then you want to tie down these fasteners right here on the back. And that should be good to go there. And then you just want to slide this plate back in there. Want to grab your fasteners and get those started. And that's it. That's how you easily install this beautiful CNC machine plate Enlarger into your side stand, so you don't drop and let your scooter sink anymore into the ground. So make sure you click that like button if you like this video, subscribe to the channel for more great content, and share with your friends. See you in the next one. Thank you.
Thank you.